The Soft Tabby from Coach comes in so many different color combinations and materials. There's leather, suede, and canvas, and there can be some confusion surrounding the Soft Tabby, so I'm going to talk all about that today and even do a packing video at the end to show you what fits in these bags. Welcome back to returning viewers, and if you're new, hello, welcome to Bag Feels, where I do bag reviews and comparisons that focus on feel, design, practicality, and value. Today I'm going to be telling you all about the Soft Tabby. The Soft Tabby comes in two sizes. You have the mini size, which is called the Soft Tabby 13. The 13 represents the number of centimeters across. And this is in the Canyon color. And you have the regular size Soft Tabby that doesn't have a number assigned to it. This one is in the washed chambray color. I have another Tabby 13. I think this is called Deep Turquoise. And I have a special edition braided Tabby in the burnished amber color. The mini bags have a snap closure, a crossbody strap, a back slip pocket for like a credit card, and then no pocket on the back. It does have a handle strap as well. And the regular size Soft Tabby comes with a handle strap. To me, this is too short to be a shoulder strap, so I need to put strap extenders on it to use it for shoulder carry. And also comes with a crossbody strap. This is an extremely comfortable strap. I'm so happy with the way that this strap feels on the shoulder. It's very soft and comfortable, but they are doing a newer edition of the Soft Tabby now. I don't actually have a newer version of the Soft Tabby, but I can kind of show you what it looks like with another bag that I have. This is actually a chain tabby, and when you look online right now for Soft Tabby, you're probably going to see a bag that looks just like this, but it is a different bag and a different design. The newer edition of the Soft Tabby, it looks pretty much exactly like this with no extra piece of leather here. It also comes with a strap that looks more like this, where it's flat across the strap, whereas the strap that came with the older version of the Soft Tabby was more narrow and had the raised sides. The chain tabby is different in that it has a divider here, and the side and bottom look quite a bit different, even though the rest of the bag looks pretty much exactly the same. This is the chain tabby in the Bluebell color. The Soft Tabby has the same snap closure as a chain tabby, but inside you have one big open compartment and a zippered pocket along the front. They do look pretty much the same with the zippered pocket on the back. Something kind of neat about the Soft Tabby in the special editions, like the braided version I have here, is they actually come with a special crossbody strap as well. So here's the strap that comes with the burnished amber braided Soft Tabby. It's just this beautiful painted flower design, and you can feel the imprint of all of these flowers on the strap as well. And I love this strap. I use it on multiple bags, but it does come with the braided Soft Tabby. Now there is another color of this one in the wine color with a darker strap, but it has the same type of floral design. Absolutely beautiful bag. Another special Soft Tabby edition is the Soft Tabby with rivets, and I'm going to put a picture up on the screen of the one that I used to have, and this is the strap that came with it. It's so magnificent. It's got this tooled design of the flowers and the leaves all the way across the strap, and then at the very end it does have these cute little hearts going down. And I have to say, these crossbody straps in the special edition, this one and the one that comes with the braided tabby, they are so comfortable. This one has gotten much softer because I've worn it with a lot of different bags. Crossbody straps on the tabby bags are some of the most comfortable straps I've ever used, so I'm really happy about that. So the strap that comes with the braided tabby and the burnished amber does come in one more color with that wine colored Soft Tabby that's in the braided edition. And then this tooled rose strap also comes in another color called Peanut, and that is a very light cream color. But those are the only other options that I know of with these specialty straps. So there can be some confusion with the newer edition of the Soft Tabby that doesn't have this leather right here, so it looks pretty much exactly like the chain tabby. But there's also another bag that people are calling the Soft Tabby, and it's not correct. This is a new Tabby 26, and this is in the natural grain leather, and that's one of the reasons that people are calling this one the Soft Tabby, because it is so soft. It's not like the previous versions of the Tabby 26 that had the glove tan leather that was very stiff and structured, or the polished pebble leather. So some people are calling this type of bag a Soft Tabby, which it is soft, but the Soft Tabby name belongs to these designs here. And I'll just hold those up side by side so you can see the difference. The Tabby 26 is shorter and maybe just the slightest bit longer, but it does have these dividers and expands and stretches quite a bit. So I think this will fit as much or more than the Soft Tabby. So let's start packing the Soft Tabby to see what fits. I have my favorite wallet from Coach. This is the Essential Slim wallet in the Crystal Signature Jacquard in the black color, and that fits very easily into the Soft Tabby. Let's try a sunglasses case. This is a pretty bulky one. Let's try an EpiPen in the front pocket. Okay, I got the EpiPen in there. A pack of tissues, pack of gum, my pill box, keys, hair clip, and there actually is some room to go in this bag, but I'm going to put my phone in the back, zippered pocket. This is an iPhone SE in a case. Let's see if that fits. So it'll probably have a harder time fitting a larger phone in a case. Probably the only real complaint about these bags is the closure. The snap closure can be a little finicky, and I can feel the EpiPen right here kind of getting in the way of that snap. So it does snap closed, but I would probably put that in a different spot just so it's not getting in the way. And you can see the top, it looks kind of lumpy, and some people really don't like that effect. They want a structured, smooth look. And one more thing I do want to say about these bags is when you open them, try to get your thumb all the way up to the metal when you're pulling that open, because if you just pull on this part of the leather, this leather tab here has a tendency to curl up. Right now it's very straight because I haven't done that, but I have seen that on some used bags where this is in a permanent curl. So I'm going to take that EpiPen out of that pocket because I don't like how it gets in the way. So that's how it looks without it in the pocket. And then the bag closes much easier. So it's smoother on the top as well because the flap isn't being pulled down quite so far. So here's how it looks once I moved that EpiPen from that front pocket. Now let's see what fits in the mini Soft Tabby. This is the Soft Tabby 13 in the Canyon color. Crossbody strap. So I have a card for that back card slot. Let me try a lipstick. I wonder if I can fit that pill box in here. Oh, and it does just fit. We'll do some Purell wipes. We're getting pretty full, and it does still close. So maybe just a couple of very small things in there, like a miniature thing of eye drops and chapstick might fit, but this is almost at capacity here. So that is the mini Soft Tabby. So I'd love to know what you guys think about the Soft Tabby. Did you know that those special edition tabbies had those beautiful floral straps? Do you have a Soft Tabby, and which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I've got lots more videos coming, so feel free to mosey on over to my channel and check them out. Thank you for watching.